Well, here she is. For those of you that saw the little teaser post. This is my ST4s. And hopefully here in the next few days I'll actually get to load up and take to the house. It's got the mounts for the bags. Bags come with it. It's supposed to even have a title. It's, I mean, not in bad shape. It's just been sitting. It's gonna need a chain for sure, and it's gonna need new fluid in the clutch and brake system, and have all that bled out. Right now, it don't do nothing. The front brakes don't really do nothing. Paint's flaking and whatnot off the motor. It's been sitting long enough. It's gonna have to have timing belts. Yeah, 29,329 miles. Ducati. Yeah, there we go. There's a little teaser video of it. And you can actually see it. And it's going to have a mirror by the looks of it. Not sure what's going on with this mirror. Why it's like that. Maybe. There we go. Hey, actually, I think the mirror's probably okay. Well, how about that? All right. Let's see, I don't see no telltale signs on the tank that it's been dropped. How about that?